What's up guys, how you all doing? Today we're going to taste test a papaya. I never had a papaya before, so I'm pretty excited. Hopefully it tastes good too. Okay, let's cut it open. I think it's like a melon, but I'm not sure exactly. Whoa! Whoa, what is this? This is a cool little seed that looks like a ball. This is so awesome. Okay, first of all, we're gonna get rid of the seeds, of course. Simple enough, right? Just push them down. Okay, now I'm just going to slice it up. I think the same thing I would do with the melon as well. Boom, it's pretty soft. Okay, let's try to taste it. Alright guys, there goes nothing. Whoa. It's so sweet with a little bit of sour. It's just like a melon, but it's way sweeter. You know what? I wish they would sell a lot more papayas. I only see it in my grocery store once in a while. This is actually really good. The end over here is actually tastes a little bit harder than this part right here. Look how beautiful this is inside of it. Those little ball seeds are so weird. I love this. Definitely an exotic fruit. Well, there you go. If you get stranded somewhere out there where the papayas is, you know what they look like, and they are safe to eat. Just make sure they are this kind of yellowish color. That way you know they are ripe. Also, they are very juicy, and you know what? If I was dehydrated, I bet the papayas would help me like restore all that water so much, because it's very juicy. Look at my hands. Ooh. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and as always, see you next time. Whew, so full. This papaya filled me up so much. Love it.